Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how can you make your in-app purchases free not using the Freedom app. So from the update of the new Play Store, the Freedom app is not working. I have made a video regarding how to use the Freedom app with the new Play Store, but for some users it's getting into the problem. And also the one limitation of Freedom app is that if you use you can use only Freedom app for the in-app purchases. So what about the games which do not have in-app purchases? Like in Temple Run, we have in-app purchases only for coins, but we do not have for the points or the distance we walked. So now I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I'm gonna show you in Subway Surfers. So let's open it. Here, as you can see, my score and my friend's score also. Now click the home button. So firstly, I exit that. You need to download the app called Game Kick. So here, as you can see, is the app Game Kick. So after you have downloaded this app, I have the link in the description so you can check. So after you have downloaded the Game Kick app, open it and select a, as camera is taking time to focus, and select the hotkey. I have selected the hotkey as menu button. So whenever you click on the menu button, it will show up its menu. And for the Subway Surfers game, I have set the timeout for the toolbar of to 10 seconds. So as you can see here, let me zoom in, it's 10 seconds, and for hotkey it's menu. And now don't exit from the back button, press the home button to exit. Now you have exited. So whenever you will now press the menu button, it will show up the menu for your Game Kick app. So now open the game which you want to hack. Suppose I want to hack Subway Surfers. So firstly, I should reset this. Now what you have to do is, as you can see my score here. So by the Freedom app you can only purchase coins or in-app purchases, as you can see my coins, but you can't level up your score. As you can see my score is very high. So how to do this I will show you. First, play the game for some time. Now hit the menu button. So as you can see, I have paused the game, and now you see the score which you want to upgrade. You can also upgrade your coins from here, and you can also upgrade your points or score. So set resume, and as you can see, quickly see the points which you have, 2340. So I have 2340 score. I want to upgrade my score. So I hit the menu button and go to input number, then 2340. What score you have? You don't have to type 2340. You have to type the score which you have. Now press OK. It will search, and now hit back. Now again play the game. Now again pause it. As you can see, we have paused the game. Now again quickly see your score by hitting resume, 4800. And now again press the menu button to open this format or the button which you have selected. Now as you can see, select this input number. It was 4800. We should type this and select OK. As now you can see, it has found two major save files. So first you click on this. Now as you can see, you can type any number of score which you want. So I'm typing 999999, and also do it in the second one. It's 999999. modify, and now go back. And now when you resume your game, you can see my score. It has changed. So by this method you can upgrade your coins also and your score also. And now I should get this game over. And now as you can see, my score has upgraded and I'm on the top of my list. One of my friend is also doing the same. By this I have also taught him, and as you can see our score. Now we should go back. So this is the trick you can apply to any game, whether it be Temple Run, Subway Surfers, and you can cheat every game by this method and do anything you want other than in-app purchases also. So it's quite a nice app. And thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you. Meet you soon.